Let me show you my curly hair routine. I do this on all my curly wigs. I'm wearing our Deep Wave 5x5 HD Tropical Deep Wave Curly Wig. I'm just wetting it down. You should saturate your hair all the way. Then I'm just going in with our curly cream lotion. It keeps your curls defined and keep everything moisturized. It's like the holy grail for curly hair. And then it's nothing you have to do every day. I probably do it maybe once a week. Then you're going to take a wig brush or a denim brush, I prefer, and get the cream incorporated into every curl. You want to brush the product through, ladies, and you have to do this on wet hair. Next, I'm going through and scrunching the curls. This is like chef's kiss. You want to scrunch your curls. You ever seen curly hair and the ends be straggly? Just making sure everything is good in place. Look at them waves. Now I'm just finishing off with our silk mousse. I'm just making sure my hair stay flat. That's all. It's not really needed, but this is my regimen. You can do as you please. Again, scrunching the ends. Now I'm about to take my diffuser and I'm about to lock everything in. Diffuser with curly hair is needed. And it's just going to dry my curls. But when it's done, it's just going to be like everything. It's going to have the wet look, but it's going to be dry. And again, you don't have to do this every day. Doing the other side of my hair, and I'm going to finish making sure my top is done. And the diffuser adds volume, ladies. Look at that lace. It looks so good. Okay. Voila. I'm ready.